Hey VV Nation, welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest, and I love bringing these Friday videos to get your weekend started off on the right foot. So, as you've known, over the last week or so, I've done 2 videos talking about AI stocks that are ready to pop or ready to rock that are outside of the big names that everybody already knows about. It's an opportunity to get you in on some stocks that are not as widely known in the AI space to help you to make money. So I did a couple of things today. I gave you 3 more stocks in this video of those stocks that are ready to pop. And then I'm going to show you from the previous videos until now how they're working out, and hopefully you've had an opportunity to take advantage of it. So let's get right into the VectorVest software. Here are my next 3 stocks on AI stocks to watch that are ready to surge higher. I had to name it something different. I didn't want you to get all caught up in the name. So different version name-wise of what I'm looking for. So INOD, Dave, and Sound. SoundHound, I think that's been a big play for a lot of people, but I found an article that talked about 3 stocks that may be under people's radars. If I go to INOD and view the stock analysis report, let's go see what they do. InnoData is a data engineering company which engages in providing artificial intelligence, software platforms and management of its services. It operates through following business segments: digital data solutions. So that is on InnoData. Dave was a name that wasn't very well known to me, but I want to take a look at it as well. Is a digital banking service. Its products include budgeting tools and help members manage their upcoming bills to avoid overspending. How many of us would love to have an AI-centric type of banking service that could help us with our budgets and all that kind of stuff? Interesting. Spending cash advantages or advances through its flagship Extra Cash product to help members avoid punitive overdraft fees. A side hustle product where Dave helps connect members with supplemental work opportunities. Wow, it's got a lot going on. All right, it's got a lot going on. I'm not going to look at sound. Everybody understands how sound plays into the picture. Now, as I record this video, the stocks are going down today, but the first thing I want you to know is none of these stocks are sell recommendations. All of these stocks have relative timings above 1, so they all are in an uptrend. Their VSTs, only one has a VST above 1, and that's InnoData. All 3 of them have a comfort index above 1, which means that even though you're having a down day today, the high CIs let me know that these stocks are resilient to lengthy pullbacks in price, which I think is positive, and they're in the AI space. What could go wrong there? It's not a bubble, I'm just saying. All right, I'm looking at the earnings growth rate on these 2. Nice double-digit gains on InnoData and Dave. Now, SoundHound, on the other hand, has an earnings growth rate of 9%, but it's still positive. But overall, I like the grouping of the stocks. Relative values are not or above 1 at right now, which means they may have a hard time outperforming a AAA corporate bond. But I still feel that if the AI space is as hot as everybody thinks it is, that number will increase. And if you don't like that number, maybe you don't take that particular trade. Remember, I now, with this video, have given you 9 stocks, 3 in the first one, 3 in the second one, and now 3 in this one. I think that you guys should be on the path of making money in AI stocks that are not super well known. So now, I told you if you stick with me, I was going to show you the results. I'm going to go to the Portfolios tab. In the Portfolios tab, here's the stocks that I've gotten you in the first one, Oracle and Medic. Well, that's a name that everybody knows about. 813, you'll notice that there's only 2 stocks there. I'm going to explain to you why that is in a second. On the 16th, I did another video. I had Pega, KD, and IRDM. And then this video has Dave, Sound, and INOD. We're up about 1%. Look at the equity curve from the first video until right now. And again, today is a down day, so these stocks are under some pressure. But with that, I'm not going to tell you to panic. I will never tell you to panic. So a couple of these stocks, Oracle is up over 3%. Meta is up right at 1%. The others that I just put on today already are taking losses. But remember, these are stocks that have high CI, so they're able to be resilient enough against big downturns. I want to show you something else. I'm going to click on Edit. I am using a stop, a 7% trail stop, which means if these stocks are still as hot as I think that they are, I'm going to let the runners run, but I'm not going to take any more than a 7% loss on these stocks. Now, talking about that, I'm going to go up to reports. Remember, there's a stock that's missing because there's only 2 stocks that are in here. I'm going to go to reports. I'm going to go to view the trade history. Notice that NVIDIA was in the list. NVDL, we got out, took a profit of 16.5%. I'll take that. I'll take that any day of the week. And that's why, folks, no matter how hot a stock or an industry is, that's why stops are so important. So we're going to monitor this going forward. I don't think I'm going to make another video unless more than a couple of more stocks stop out. Then we'll go and reload them up with new stocks that are ready to pop. Folks, let me know in the chat. Have you made money with any of these picks from the videos that I've done? If you have, type the word money. If you were on the fence and you waited just a little bit too long, maybe, type the word waited. I want to hear from you. Folks, I wanted to show the performance of the portfolio from the time that we did the videos so that you can see that we're not just talking about this stuff. We want to be about this stuff. And if I could put the videos out, I want to show if we're making money or not making money, or if you're making money or not making money. Folks, thank you for joining us. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, share the video so that people know that we are all about trying to eat our own cooking. We do the work, you reap the rewards. If you're brand new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be alerted to when videos like this come out. Folks, this video is over, and until the next time, see ya. Hey, VV Nation, knowledge is power. And I wish that when I started investing in the market that someone would have impressed upon me just how important knowledge is when investing in the stock market. Well, VectorVest is giving you that opportunity to take advantage of world-class information and courses at a reduced price at the end of the summer. Folks, if you go to www.vectorvest.com/sale, you will gain access to some of the best knowledge out there to help you to make better decisions in the stock market. Folks, again, knowledge is power, and this is your opportunity to take your investing to the next level.